What if I told you the moon isn't actually just a rock? It's the result of Earth getting absolutely obliterated by another planet. And yeah, I know what some people are thinking. It's an alien spaceship. I mean, look at it. It's the perfect distance, it controls our tides, and it's always facing us. It's suspicious. But the real story may somehow be even crazier. Around 4.5 billion years ago, Earth wasn't the stable planet that we know today. It was a cosmic war zone, asteroids, debris, constant collision, and then something massive showed up. A planet about the size of Mars called Theia, and it wasn't just passing by, it was on a direct collision course with Earth. Now, this wasn't like a meteor hitting the ground, this was planet versus planet. When Theia hit the Earth, the energy released was beyond anything that we've ever experienced. The surface of Earth melted, entire sections vaporized, rocks blasted into space everywhere. For a moment, Earth didn't even look like a planet anymore. It was surrounded by a massive ring of debris, basically a cloud of molten rock orbiting it. And this is where things get insane. That debris didn't just drift away, gravity took over. Slowly, piece by piece, those fragments started colliding, merging, and growing until eventually they formed something new: the moon. The moon isn't just something Earth captured, it's literally made from Earth itself, which is already crazy, but we actually have proof. When astronauts brought back moon rocks, scientists analyzed them and found something shocking. The moon's composition is almost identical to Earth's outer layers. Same elements, same structure, which strongly suggests the moon came from Earth. Here's where things get even deeper. That collision didn't just create the moon. It may have made life possible. Before the impact, Earth likely spun much faster. Its tilt was unstable. But after Theia hit, everything changed. The collision slowed Earth's rotation and stabilized its tilt. And that matters more than you think, because Earth's tilt is what gives us seasons. And without stability, the climate could swing wildly and unpredictably. Extreme temperature shifts, chaotic environments. Not exactly ideal for life. And the moon also plays another huge role. Its gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating tides. Those tides may have helped early life evolve by constantly moving nutrients between land and sea. So think about this. The same event that nearly destroyed Earth might be the reason we exist. And it raises one last question. What happened in Theia? Well, it didn't survive. Most of it merged with Earth. The rest became part of the moon. So technically, there's still a piece of another planet floating above us every night. And yeah, it's probably not an alien spaceship, but I definitely get why people think that. Because the truth is already insane enough. The moon isn't something just orbiting Earth, it's the aftermath of one of the most violent events in our planet's history. And without it, Earth would be completely different, possibly a world where we never existed.